Why do 70% of drone enthusiasts worry about hacking? Because it's a real threat. Let's fix that. All right, tech geeks, buckle up. Drones are awesome, but they're also hackable. First up, always update your drone's firmware. No one likes updates, but hackers love outdated systems. Next, use strong passwords. 12345 is not going to cut it. Make it strong like a drone's propeller. Turn off your drone's Wi-Fi when you're not using it. It's like locking your front door. Watch out for weird behavior. Is your drone acting strange? Flying off course? It might be hacked. Check your flight logs regularly. Unfamiliar routes? That's a red flag. Use encrypted communication. It's like sending secret messages that only your drone can read. Avoid public Wi-Fi. It's like leaving your drone's keys on a park bench. Install antivirus on your control device. Yes, even drones need digital bodyguards. And always know your drone's emergency features. You never know when you'll need them. Stay safe and keep flying high. Until next time, techies.